Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is universal law of gravitation. Okay, it's very fundamental law and it is widely used in our daily life as well as to find the motion of celestial bodies. This law is given by very famous scientist Isaac Newton. Okay, so this is universal law of gravitation. According to this law, if there are two masses m1 and m2 and they are separated by a small distance r, then the force of attraction between them is directly proportional to product of the masses, and at the same time it is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. So this is represented in terms of equation 1 and equation 2. Is it clear? Now, if we combine equation 1 and 2, then we can say that f is proportional to m1 and 2 upon r square. All of you know that when we will replace this proportionality by the sign of equality, then we have to put a proportionality constant. And in this case, the proportionality constant is termed as capital G. So we can say that the formula is f is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. Clear? And capital G is universal gravitational constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. Now there are few important things about this force. First thing is that this force is always attractive in nature. If we compare about the forces, gravitational force and electrostatic force, then we know that if there are two similar charges, then the force will be repulsive, and if there are unlike charges, then the force will be attractive. But in case of gravitational force, it is always attractive in nature. Second thing is that why the name is given universal gravitational constant? Because this constant is independent of the medium between the two masses. Means if we put up this system in another medium, then also what will happen? The force will remain same and the universal gravitational constant will remain same. So whether we are finding the force between two electrons or we are finding force between moon and earth, this constant is not going to change. Whether we are finding force between two masses in air or we are changing the medium, then the universal gravitational constant is not going to change. So that's why this is very important and fundamental law in physics. Thank you very much.